Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have the app and permissions. Now start with the chart screen. First, tap the magnifier to load your symbol, then pin your favorite ticker for quick access. Once loaded, make sure the time frame and chart type match your plan. Change to 1M, 5M, or daily instantly. Save this layout as a new template so you don't rebuild indicators. While you set this up, notice the bottom toolbar. That's where drawing tools and orders live, use them next. Once your symbol is pinned, add indicators by opening indicators and selecting what you need, moving averages, RSI, volume, and tweak inputs by tapping each indicator's settings. Then use the drawing toolbar to mark support, resistance, and patterns. Hold or long press to adjust anchor points precisely. Make sure scale and price axis style are readable. Pinch to zoom and drag for exact alignment. When done, save the complete layout so you can restore it instantly on any device. You're ready to trade? Press trade, choose market or limit, enter quantity and optional stop loss and take profit. Confirm the order. For surveillance, set alerts by long pressing a price or tapping the alert icon, then pick condition, sound, and expiration so you don't miss moves. Once everything looks right, sync or export your layout to the cloud so you can recover it. If something fails, force close and reopen the app, check network, and re-log in. That usually clears session or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.